Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to create the embeddings or the vector representation of text. So before proceeding we need to understand what the embeddings are and why we need to use them in our project. So before that, let's go to this scenario. The question is, what are the benefits of regular exercises? And there are 5 different answers. You need to pick the best answer which you find the most relevant according to the question. So let's take some minute. So you might have guessed the best answer for this question will be exercising regularly can help weight control and mental well-being. So we humans can easily identify the best suited answers from the given context. But how does the LLMs or the large language models identify them? So the answer is with these embeddings. So embeddings are nothing but the mathematical representation of the text. So let's say, for example, the question is, what are the benefits of regular exercise? So instead of the text, the LLMs can understand this with some vector representation. So for example, let's say this is the vector representation of this text. I'm just taking these numbers as example. So this is not the actual embeddings value. So this embeddings value can be of large dimension. So therefore I am representing it with 3 dots. So it might have some larger dimension like 384 numbers or like more than 1000 numbers or even more than that. So these answers also can be represented with the embeddings with some specific numbers. So this is represented by this vector and this is represented by this embedding, and the third answer as this embedding, and so on. So from this numerical representation also you can also have some look to find out the best result. Let's say, for example, the question is this and this is the vector, and you can see the nearest vector to this is this one. So mathematically the LLMs can easily identify by comparing these 2 vectors that this is the best suited answer for this question. So in that case, using the LLMs and finding the best answers from the given question, so we need to first understand how to create the embeddings. So in this tutorial we'll know how to create the embeddings for free using sentence library. So let's go to ChatGPT and I'll write a simple prompt to get the embeddings. So I'll just copy paste a prompt which I already used. Write a Python function using sentence transformer library. So this is the free library that we can use to generate the embeddings of any input text. So let's press enter. So this is the required Python code to generate the embeddings. So here are some problems with this code. So I have already done some hit and trial and made a working code. So I'll just copy paste this code over here. Okay, let's paste over here. First we need to install the sentence transformer library using pip install, and then we need to import the library, and this function will generate the embeddings using this model which is Paraphrase Mini LM L6 V2 model. You can also use other models as well, but this model is widely used for simple purposes. So this is the input question and we are going to generate the embedding for this question, and this print statement will print the embeddings. So let's run this code. So it will download all these libraries which is inside the sentence transformer. Okay, finally you can see that the vector embeddings has been created. So this is the vector embedding representation of the text. What are the benefits of regular exercise? So you can just input the different text over here and you can say it to generate the embedding, and it will generate the embedding for the specific sentence. So meanwhile you can also generate the embeddings using OpenAI. So OpenAI has got a lot of models, and these models are quite precise than these sentence transformer. Since sentence transformer library is free of cost, so for simple projects you can use this library to generate the embeddings. Otherwise, if you want some more precise and advanced models, then you can use OpenAI, but which is which takes you some cost to use it. So I'm just using here this free library for generating the embeddings. And in the next video, we'll learn how to use these embeddings to find out the best answer from the given questions. Till that, stay tuned and thanks for watching.